Lesson 14.9 is writing an augmented matrix for systems of equations. So what matrices are really useful for is actually solving systems of equations, which is where two lines intersect. Sometimes we have two variables, x and y, and sometimes we have three variables, x, y, and z. And so what an augmented matrix is just moving all the terms around so they're in standard form. Standard form is having something x plus or minus something y equaling a constant, or in this case, even having a z term equaling your constant. So we're just rearranging the parts. So on this one, I've got my 7x, and then my negative 5y is on the wrong side. I want to move it over here, so I'm going to have to add 5y. So now it's positive. And my negative 5 is on the wrong side. I need my constant over here, so I'm adding 5. So basically, it's if something moves across the equal sign, it's the opposite. Okay, second equation, everything's on the wrong side, so I could keep this the same. To me, it's just as easy to go on move. So I'm moving the 2x, now it's negative 2x. Moving the minus 4y, now it's positive 4y, equaling 3. Then you just take your coefficients and put them in the matrix. So it's 7, 5, 5, negative 2, 4, 3. And these should be your constants. These are your coefficients on your variables. Okay, so number 2, I'm going to move the negative 4x, so now it's positive 4x. I don't see any y, so I'll go ahead and just fill it with a 0y. Minus z is on the correct side, but my negative 3 is on the wrong side, so I'm going to add 3 and it's positive. The next one, I'm going to subtract x, add 5y. I don't see any z, so I'll put a 0z. Negative 3 needs to move, so now it's positive 3. And then the last one, my 5x is on the correct side, 2y is on the correct side, add z, so now it's positive, and then negative 3 needs to add and be 3. Then you just put all your coefficients. So it's 4, 0, negative 1, 3, negative 1, 5, 0, 3, and 5, 2, 1, 3. And we'll learn in a couple lessons of why these are useful and how we'll use them to solve systems.